Welcome back to Vortex of the Build and the second part of my installment for my 1967 Chevelle behind me, the Grackle. I know you guys are looking forward to this one, but I will be showing you when I tore down my firewall and started the process of taking it apart and putting it back together. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. This is going to be a good one. Go through all the details of what I got going on. And next will be the chassis, roaster shop chassis I got for it. So stay tuned for the next video also. Talk to you soon. See ya. Well, talk about being excited and nervous at the same time. That's exactly what I was feeling when I was tearing this down. I was excited to get started on my car, but I was nervous when I started seeing what I was dealing with. Pay attention to those brackets right there connected to that side cowl. You'll notice when I get over here to the driver's side. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there's nothing there. It's darn near disappeared. So I was really nervous at this point, but I was committed. So at this time I had to go ahead and just ordering parts for Automotive Direct. Order my left, right A-arm. You see how bad that A-arm's looking up on top. Ordered my upper lower cowl. Left, right side cowl, which came in a kit. Fortunately for me, all these parts are orderable from Automotive Direct. So I just started ordering firewall, all those pieces. Look here, another look at that. Look, nothing connected to the side of my body. I'm surprised that I'm surprised it's even sitting together still. This side was good for a template, but it was still looking pretty bad too. I don't know how I was going to fix that, so I just went ahead and replaced it. First thing I got was my firewall and the A-arms. Here's a firewall attached to the factory bolt locations on the frame. Got the passenger side A-arm in installed. Starting to fit the upper and lower cowl, left and right cowl. Added some support from the body, from the floor up to the roof. So I didn't want anything to move. Even though it was sitting on the frame, I still added those support for the A-arms. More fitment. Got the glass. Got the driver's side A-arm welded in. It was coming together at this point. All the pieces were fitting. They weren't 100%, but they were fitting really well. Looking nice. Aftermarket parts don't fit 100% like factory, but had to massage it a little bit, but it was working for me. Sneak peek of my chassis right there. Next video. But this was looking good. I was happy with how it was coming out, how the pieces were fitting. Looks good. This is right before I got ready to weld it all together. Just double checking my fitments. Stay tuned for my next video. As you can see, this was looking good. You don't need to see me welding it, but I was happy with it at this point. Next video coming, the chassis. Thanks for watching.